Since the launch, I had some really great questions asked. So I decided I would do a video instead of do an individual post. So one of the questions was, do you get a box each month or is it just after you pay? So with a subscription, it's not a box. It gives you access to unlimited wholesale jewelry. Do you get to pick your own pieces? No, you don't. However, I have great taste. They will be at random. How many times a month can you order? As long as you're active with your subscription, you can order as many times as you'd like. How much does it cost a month? Well, depending on the box that you start with, depends on your subscription cost. The $1.99 box, it's $99 a month. The $99 box is $49 a month. Do I have to pay every month? Yes, in order to remain active, it is something that has to be paid every month. What if I don't pay the subscription or I don't pay the subscription on time? Well, if you do either of those, then the subscription is canceled. So again, those were great questions, but let me emphasize, the cost of the boxes will be going up within the month. So if you want to lock in on the prices that are going on right now, you may need to do that right now. The people that purchase now, they're going to be grandfathered in at the cost that they have paid right now. And if you have any other questions, just reach out to me at thejewelryboxlive@gmail.com. Bye, y'all.